Let us end this debate once and for all. Which chess website is the best one for you? Coming straight up. Now let us start off with the ground rules. Which chess websites will I be choosing to compare, and how will I be comparing them? The three chess websites I will be personally choosing to compare today are the three giants of the chess world right now: Chess.com, Lichess, and Chess24. Sorry ICC users, I won't be comparing your website today because I don't have much experience with it, but I heard many great things about them. So what categories will I be using to compare these three chess websites? Well, I chose three categories that I think fully encompasses what people will be expecting and using these three chess websites for. So the three categories I've chosen are the quality of chess lessons that they can provide you so you can become the best chess player that you possibly can become. Secondly, we will be talking about the chess games themselves on these websites, as that is the reason why most people that I know go onto these chess websites, so they can play chess. And within this category, we will be talking about the aesthetics, we will be talking about the strength of the people on these websites, and the anti-cheating policy. And lastly, the elephant in the room. What is the paywall behind each of these chess websites, and how much you need to pay to get the best of their chess website? Category 1. Chess puzzles. Chess puzzles are an extremely good way of improving your chess tactics. So what better way is there than to do as many as you can with increasing difficulties? Thus, having a good tactics trainer is an important part of being the right chess website for you. Lichess is the most basic of tactics trainers, but that doesn't mean it isn't good. It provides you with the bare bones, but what it does give you, it allows you to do as many as you want, whenever you want, without restriction. Chess24 adds to the basic structure that Lichess has, and adds Speed Trainer to the mix. This is for those who enjoy having a bunch of tactics thrown at you in a row, and you have either 1, 3, or 5 minutes to tackle them. For each one you get correct, you get an additional 3 seconds. Chess.com adds even more to this, as not only do they have Tactics Trainer and Speed Chess with the option of infinite time, they have this cool mode called Puzzle Battle, where you can compete with your friends or just other players to see who can get the most right in a given amount of time. All in all, we will have to give the crown to Chess.com when it comes to purely Tactics Trainer, as it has the most options out of the three websites. However, it is important to note that you do need a premium membership for both Chess24 and Chess.com if you want unlimited access to their Tactics Trainer tools. Category 2. Chess videos. One of the reasons I was able to skyrocket my rating from being an unrated player to 2200 in 3 years were chess videos. There were so many videos to look at of all these different topics. Back in my day, the OGs were people like Chess Network, the chess website, and these were people who helped increase my rating so much. But Sean, you're asking, we're talking about chess websites here. Which chess website has the best video? And if I'm being honest, it doesn't matter, because YouTube just has as many chess videos, if not more, and equal quality as well. I mean, Lichess, for example, basically has people from YouTube post the videos on Lichess, and that's where they get their collection. Though if I'm going to rank the websites, I would say Chess24 and Chess.com are tied at number 1 in this scenario, as they both have exclusive chess videos that are only allowed to their premium members, while Lichess, most of their videos that I look through come from YouTube itself. Category 3. Aesthetics. If I'm going to be playing a game for an hour, maybe 5 hours, or even 10 hours, the game better be looking pretty. So I'm going to rank the 3 websites based off how pretty they look and how nice their user interface is. So I can't lie. I love the way chess.com looks. I love the way the pieces look. I love the way their board looks. But most of all, I love how you can customize everything. You can make the board look normal like that, or you can literally make it look as crazy. Like you can make it like this, and you can make it purple, and you can have chessboard like this when you're playing. You can even play blindfolded on this. Like blindfolded, you can play with no pieces over here, or you could just have like some crazy looking marble looking board over here. The sky's your limit when it comes to chess.com, and I especially like this. On the other hand, Lichess is just as good. I mean, you can change the board to look like whatever you want it to again. For example, you can make it have this color, this color, this color, this color, this color. Like there's a lot of different colors you can choose from, right? And all of them are good. But that's not it, right? Let's just say like this color over here. You could also change the board, your background. It can be light, it can be dark, or it could be something cool like this. You can choose your own background, and that chess.com, fairly sure, does not allow. So Lichess is, you can even consider even better in terms of look, because you can have your own personalized look to it, and what can be better than that? Now the only issue is that their chess pieces, they don't look as good as the chess.com ones personally. I don't know if you guys like it better. If you guys do, tell me in the comments below. The only ones I think are decent are the first three. While on chess.com, they have multiple that look pretty decent. I mean, Lichess is this, and like, what is this? Looks pretty sketchy to me. But that's my thoughts on Lichess. Last, and I really wish I could say not least, Chess24. Chess24 has very limited number of different boards you can use and different pieces you can use. Even if you have their premium membership, it only adds an extra 5 different boards and an extra 5 different pieces. So definitely Chess24 has really nothing to write home about, but I heard in the future they might be changing this and that they might be adding more, so we will have to wait for that. In summary, I would have to give Lichess number 1 in terms of looks, as that website allows you to have your own custom look. So whether you like anime, whether you like sports, whether you like a different movie or something, you could have your own personal look to it. Chess.com would be number 2 because you have so many different types of pieces, so many different types of boards that you can choose, and unfortunately Chess24 would have to be last as their board and their pieces are quite limited in the art styles that you can have. Category 4. Strength of players. All 3 of these chess giants have plentiful player base, so you won't find any lacking of players at any given time. The most you will have to wait is probably a good 5 seconds on all 3 websites and you will get a player, especially if you're at the lower beginner/intermediate levels. If you're a higher rated title player, don't you worry. All 3 of these websites have people at the highest levels playing as well. In terms of the number of players and the strength of the players on all 3 websites, I have to give it to chess.com again for first place, as they have the most amount of people who play at any given time, and I also believe that they also have the most amount of title players that play on their website as well. Second place would have to go for Lichess, as they're not far from chess.com in terms of their strength and in terms of the number of people. And lastly, it will have to go to Chess24 again, as even though they do have title players and they have many players playing at the same time, they just don't have as many top GMs who play on their website, other than, of course, Magnus Carlsen and the rest of them. Category 5. Their cheating policies. All 3 of these websites forbid cheating. Don't cheat. You're not allowed to cheat. If you do cheat, you'll be banned and you won't be able to play. In Lichess's case, you will be flagged as an engine user and you will only be paired against people who use engines as well. So don't cheat. All 3 of these websites have a very good anti-cheating methods to detect people who cheat, and you won't be able to get past these systems. Now, chess.com has a very special thing in which if you do play a cheater and you played him in the last 30 days since he's been banned, you will get your rating refunded. So that's always a perk. In terms of the cheating policies, I would rank all 3 of these websites as perfectly equal, as each of them are doing their best to stop cheaters from ruining the online chess experience. Finally, let's get into the category that divides most of the chess community today, the paywall. Both Chess24 and Chess.com require premium membership if you want access to many of their amazing features that we listed before. On the other hand, Lichess is completely free and will always be free as it is an open source website. You can give them donations if you really want to, but it is not obliged for all of the resources that they provide. Here is a comparison of the two websites' premium memberships side by side. Therefore, I'm going to have to give this round to Lichess for number 1, as they are completely free, no strings attached. Second place, we have Chess24, as they're a little bit cheaper than Chess.com, though Chess.com does have a Platinum and Gold premium membership to counteract that. Chess.com, their most popular membership, and the one that most people get because it's the most useful, is the Diamond membership, which is the most expensive of the three. In conclusion, each of these websites have their own strengths, have their own weaknesses, so it is up to you guys to decide which chess website you guys enjoy and which website you guys will personally use. Tell me in the comments below which chess website you guys use, because I want to see which chess website is most popular with you guys. Me personally, I like to use chess.com the most. As a titled player, I get a premium membership for free, and free is pretty good. Now, in case you guys were wondering, I'm not affiliated, I'm not partnered with, and I'm not working for any of these three companies. So there's no bias on my part, and it's just my opinion on all these different things. If you guys disagree, again, please tell me in the comments, and that would be extremely, extremely good. I hope you found that an instructive chess video. If you guys did, make sure to watch this video in which I talk about why I think the Caricon is more like a trash con. I hope to see you guys soon. Subscribe for more chess content like this one.